Hi everyone, Caroline from ThoughtFarmer here. Hope you're enjoying your summer so far. Today I'm going to walk you through our latest release, ThoughtFarmer 10.2. Now for this release, we're introducing two significant updates. The first one relates to notification, and the second update relates to how Cloud Drive integrations work within the ThoughtFarmer mobile app. So let's start with notifications. Now by notifications, I don't just mean the message you receive when somebody mentions you, for example. I mean the entire notification experience and the rules that govern the why, when, and even how you receive a notification. It's a topic our product team has been working on for a while, and throughout the process, they received lots of great feedback from you all, our customers. And that feedback really boiled down to three key items. First, you wanted to receive fewer notifications by default. Second, you wanted more control over your notification settings. And third, you wanted the actual notification messages to offer more context. So they took that feedback and built out a new notification experience, which affects three key personas: the end user, intranet administrators, and page owners. So let's start with end users. When you navigate to your notification setting page, straight away you'll notice the updated look and feel. The product team has done an amazing job at refining the visual appeal here, and you'll also notice the improved usability of the page. For example, there are now two columns, one for in-app notifications and one for email, where there was just one before. The following rules, which used to be called auto-follow, have been moved to the bottom of the page, and each notification type now has a descriptive example underneath it, so you know exactly what that notification refers to. For the eagle-eyed among you, you will have noticed that by default, and this cannot be changed, users will receive a notification when they are mentioned. The rationale here is that there must be at least one way for somebody to get your attention. For the admins out there, the UI and the UX on the admin panel remain the same, but of course you have some additional functionality. For example, you can set up and configure the default notifications for new users, and you can also override current notification settings for existing users. Finally, for you page owners, we've made a few subtle changes that will allow you to finely tune the level of notifications you want for followers of your page. Maybe you're the owner of a new company news page and you want to toggle auto-follow to on. Or maybe you're about to update the formatting of a page, and since your changes will be subtle, you don't want to notify all followers of those changes. This is all possible with this new release, and it means you can make sure folks only receive the notifications they really need to see. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. To see the complete description of the notifications update, just visit our documentation page or reach out to your customer success or support teams. Next, I'll quickly mention update number 2, which relates to how Cloud Drive integrations work within the mobile app. Essentially, we made a few tweaks, squashed a few bugs, and now our Cloud Drive integration will work just as well in the ThoughtFarmer app as it does in the web experience. So whether you use Google or Microsoft, all of your employees can collaborate on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations no matter how, when, or where they work. There are, of course, a few subtle differences between the two, but broadly speaking, there's complete functional parity between the app and the web experience, which is just the way we like it. And that's pretty much it, folks. There are lots of other updates, including a few cool app enhancements, but as always, you can visit the documentation section of our community site to read our detailed release notes for 10.2. Oh, and as a quick aside, in case you missed our recent Best Internet Awards, you can click here to view the recording, and honestly, you should. We saw some amazing intranets, and I'm sure you'll be able to pick up a few ideas for your own intranet. As always, remember to subscribe to our monthly newsletter that highlights our most exciting news and updates. See you next time.